This is my 1928 Model A Ford. The car was built October 1928. It's a numbers matching car, and I found out it came from the Midwest. Actually, it came from Texas, so it's always been a Texas car. The gentleman who owned the car passed away in 2001, and his son inherited the car. And the son really didn't know how to drive it, didn't know what to do with it. So, you know, he drove it for occasionally, once in a while, for next 10, 15 years. And then it stopped running really well, and he didn't know what else to do with it, and he put it in his garage. So he told me the last time the car actually drove was in 2003. I'm sorry, it was 3 years ago. But the car was restored by his dad. Dad was a Ford dealer, and what he did, what I found out, is that his dad took the body off the frame and was going to redo the body later because he was relocating over here to Maryland to be with his family. And he had the whole drivetrain redone. If you look underneath the car, the underneath of the car looks better than the top of the car. But also what he did, and it kind of perplexed in a way, that when he brought it over here, he had the whole interior upholstery redone. So I guess he was just planning to scuff it and shoot it. But over the years, though, it got dents in the fenders and stuff like that. But again, I don't think the son said the car probably doesn't have 3,000 miles on it. It's just a total restoration. So when I got the car, I pulled the carburetor, completely cleaned it out. It was all clogged up. Pulled the distributor, lubricated it, put new points in it, changed the oil, changed the transmission oil, changed the rear end oil, greased it. I just changed the water pump because the water pump, the back bearing looked like it was bad. The water pump wasn't that old either, but the shaft was going in and out. I didn't want the thing to go through the radiator. So that's what I did this morning. I just changed the water pump, and now I just have it running. And you can see how beautifully it runs. I mean, it's extraordinary. I mean, I've never seen a Model A, very few Model A's I've seen that run this smooth. And it also drives really, really well. But listen to the engine. The engine's great. I'm going to retard it a little bit so you can hear it retarded. It's got that beautiful Model A sound. See, that's the Model A retarded sound. I don't know if you can hear it or not. But that right now is full retarded. And I'll kick it up a little bit as I bring it up. Okay, that's like halfway down the lever. And so what I'm going to do today is I got to go through the front wheel bearings. I want to pull the wheels, check the brakes, but the brakes again feel fine also. Non-issue. I mean, the brakes stop beautifully. But I'm going to repack the wheel bearings because I plan on driving the car over the winter. I will sell it, and I'm putting right now $8,000 on it, but the price will probably go up in the spring because I'll wind up doing more things to it as I drive it. So let me show you the interior of the car. Here you go. Here's the inside of the car right now. I have to fix the AM gauge. The AM gauge isn't working right. And then there's the back. There's the back. See, I don't know how well you can see this thing, but the headliner is absolutely perfect in this car. So that's it. It's a great car. The doors closed like a vault. And here's the back of her. There she is. Good looking car. And it's a nice car because it's 28, an early car too. So I don't know. I think it's a great car. I did pretty well. If I didn't have so many cars, I would sell it. But I would sell it right this minute. Let's put it this way, I wouldn't sell it if I had so many cars. Anyway, that's all for now.